Hi everyone, this is Cece and welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. For today's video, we are going to open two boxes of happiness. The first box came from this seller, Day Saves. Ito yung FB page niya, so you can try to search their FB page and see what they sell. So, ito yung box na pinadala ni seller. It's a kilo box small. Ito yung CP number nung sender. And let's see what's inside the box. So I'm starting to open the box. So this order is a pre-order, meaning I ordered it last November and the expected date of arrival here in the Philippines. It comes from Thailand, so the estimated arrival here in the Philippines is first week of December. But actually, second week of December na nung na-receive ko. Siyempre, expected na yun na may delay. Lalo na this holiday season, marami nagpapapackage. So, okay lang naman yung delay. So, wala naman akong problema doon. First time ko naka-receive ng ganitong way ng pagpapack ng seller. So, I was expecting na siguro hindi na naka-wrap sa tissue yung mga variegated gymnocalycium. But I was surprised to see na it was individually wrapped in tissue. But what makes me sad is not that it is not packed well or what. It is actually packed well and yung effort na lang na i-wrap siya in tissue one by one is napaka-effort na talaga ni seller. Ang problema ko is the size. So, I was not expecting this size ng variegated gymnocalycium. It's just like 1 peso coin. Most of them, ang size is 1 peso coin. Some are smaller than that. So, isa lang yung nakita ko na kasing laki ng 5 peso coin. And it's a yellow variegation. So, siguro may fault din ako sa buyer kasi yung nakalagay nung pinost niya dun sa FBP, it's actually sale and you have to buy the item per tray. And I bought the item tray number 14. So, kaya may number 14 doon sa newspaper kanina nung binuksan natin. So, I was expecting na hindi naman ako nag-expect ng malaki kasi syempre 850 pesos lang naman din yung binayad ko. But I was expecting a little bit bigger than this. So, yun nga, I was very disappointed with the size. And as a buyer, may fault din ako kasi hindi ako nagtanong kay seller kung ano bang size ng mga variegated gymnocalycium. Pero as I see in the picture sa kanyang post sa FB, parang more than 1 inches naman. So, siguro magagaling talaga ang mga seller na mag-picture ng mga, anong angle ang malaki silang tignan, kung paano sila gagawing colorful para maka-attract ng customer. Actually, hindi ko rin masabi kung may fault ba yung seller. Pero ako, on my part talaga, I admit na may fault ako kasi hindi ako nagtanong. Kasi as a buyer, it is your responsibility to ask kung ano yung mga dapat mong itanong. Siyempre, hindi naman para mag-inform si seller sa lahat ng kanyang buyer. So, you have to have the initiative na magtanong kung ano yung dapat mong itanong. So, yun nga, hindi ko ginawa yung responsibility ko as a buyer na itanong ko ano yung size. Siguro sa sobrang excitement ko kasi dun sa FB page niya, maraming nabili. So, at saka, ang bilis pa sold out ng mga trays niya. So, I was so really curious na siguro magaganda at saka okay yung size kasi mabilis maubos eh. Pero I was not really expecting this kind of small variegated gymnocalycium. In fairness naman kay seller, yung variegation ng mga small size na gymno na to is very nice. Ang ganda ng mga variegation, yun nga lang, napakaliit. Tapos merong isang mashi na akong nakuha. So, malambot na siya. Parang nagtutubig. So, I'm not sure kung makakasurvive siya. So, i-air dry na lang muna natin for a week maybe. So, yan. Pinakita ko naman yung mga ibang variegation. Makikita nyo din sa nag-video o after natin mag-unwrap yung closer look nito. So, hindi ko na lahat pinakita as I unwrap it kasi masyadong hahaba yung ating video. So far, yun lang yung masasabi ko sa first box of happiness na inopen natin. So, ito nga pala yung picture nung variegated gymnocalcium na pinost ni seller na nabili ko. So, 'di ba medyo malaki naman dyan sa picture. Anyway, let's have a final and closer look of each one of them. Enjoy watching! So this is the second box of happiness that we are going to open today. So it's my second time to order on this seller. Let's see kung magiging happy ba ako. So the seller is Jackie Potter. Eting FB page niya. So yung first order ko sa kanya, I was really satisfied and amazed dun sa item na pinadala niya. And I strongly recommend this seller. So let's see in this second order if I will still strongly recommend this seller to you. Medyo nahirapan akong buksan kasi first time ko naka-receive ng ganitong box na hindi ko alam kung saan ko siya dapat buksan. Yung saan ko ba aalsin yung tape. Kasi usually yung kilo box small ang nare-receive ko at saka yung pinakamaliit. So this one is a flat type. So parang hindi ko kabisado kung saan ko siya dapat buksan. So, I have to turn it upside down to figure it out how to open this box. Ang worry ko nga is baka kung anong mangyari na dun sa laman ng carton box na to kasi paikot-ikot na nga yung box so baka nahihilo na yung mga variegated gymnocalcium na nasa loob. So, let's see and open the box now. So, look at this kind of packaging. This is the most amazing seller that can pack their variegated gymnocalcium very well. At syempre, may pa-freebie that sa atin si seller na crochet cactus. So, ito na yung pangalawang crochet cactus kasi nung first order ko, binigyan niya din ako ng crochet cactus. And then, this one is the second one. Tapos, yan, more on variegation ng yellow yung in-order ko sa kanya na may konting black and touch of pink. So, ayan sila. If I am disappointed with the first box of happiness, dinoble or sinobra-sobra naman ng second box na inopen natin yung happiness ko. Grabe sa presentation, grabe sa linis, napaka-shiny nung kanilang variegated gymnocalcium. As in talagang I strongly recommend this seller, Jackie Potter. Please visit their FB page, follow. So, masaya din sumali sa live nila kasi may pa-games sila. So, marami din kayong mamimit doon. masaya mag-live yung seller na si Jackie Potter. So, kaya lang minsan hanggang madaling araw. So, minsan nakakatulugan ko na talaga yung live. Hindi ko talaga natatapos. Kasi hanggang madaling araw, usually they start at 9 or 9:30 hanggang madaling araw yun. Kung hanggang saan yung kaya ni seller na mag-flex ng mga variegated gymnocalcium niya. So, yung price, depende syempre kung anong klaseng variegated gymnocalcium yung kanilang finiflex. Meron din silang mga ibang item like kabuto, kaya lang hindi ko pa naabutan na nag-live selling sila nun. So, ayan yung closer look ng mga variegated gymnocalcium na nabili ko sa kanila. And maybe you are wondering why I bought lots of variegated gymnocalcium. It's because I'm planning to share the blessings that I have received to some of my friends. So, eto, pinak ko sila. So, hindi ko na in-unwrap yung galing kay Jackie Potter na sellers. So, para hindi na ako mahirapan. So, nirap ko na lang yung galing kay Daysibs na maliliit. So, ginawa kong 2 per pot para matuwa naman yung pagbibigyan ko kasi nga maliit yung size nila. So, kumpara kanino sila? Secret! So, that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like my sharing for today. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and share my video to your family, friends, and relatives. Bye for now. See you on my next video. Bye. God bless us all. Bye.